Today's video is dedicated completely to the mineral water facial spray from Evian. This is the product that I use pretty much every single day. It is my must-have for a while now, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you why I love it so much and how I use it. As for now, in my collection I have the 5 fluid ounces that is on my vanity all the time, and I use it throughout the day. In my purse I have 1.7 fluid ounces. It's great to carry around. It's great for traveling. Even for carry-on, it's gonna work great. And then this is something I'm kind of just holding on to. This is their limited edition Chiara Ferragni collaboration with Evian. If you don't know who that is, she's a beautiful, talented young designer. And so far I just used it kind of twice, and the bottle is super cute. So the first way I would say is that we recommend for you to use it. This spray tones and refreshes your skin like nothing else. So even when I'm not wearing my makeup and I'm just at home, I like to spray it all over my face every few hours. I love how it instantly refreshes your skin. It also takes away any puffiness, tones and instantly moisturizes, especially in the hotter season. I feel like this is something I cannot live without. I have one of this in my bathroom and another one on my vanity all the time. And this is one of those products that you don't have to use consistently to see results. Like, it took me one single use to realize how much I love it. Another way that I absolutely love to use it is to prep my skin before I apply my makeup. I just spray it all over my freshly cleaned face, and after using it, any foundation just glides on. Not so much for prolonging the wear of your makeup, but to prep your skin and make everything sit beautifully. This one works amazingly, and this is what I use today, and I love how my makeup looks. Next one is huge for me because I genuinely feel the difference in my under eye area after I started doing this. I don't soak my beauty blender under the running water. I spray it with the Evian facial spray just on the area I plan on using for blending out my concealer. It gives you the most beautiful, even, smooth coverage because it's not too damp, but still it's damp enough to blend out the product beautifully. I never see any kind of flaking, any kind of dryness underneath my eyes. And for those of you who are struggling with achieving that perfect under eye and find that something is not quite working for you, definitely use these two together, facial spray and the beauty blender. You will achieve the desired effect. I'm not a huge fan to apply my foundation using beauty blender. However, for under eye concealer, I find that it is irreplaceable. It just works the best. It gives me the desired coverage and finish every time, and you don't have to keep on reapplying. Just spray it once. It's gonna be good to go for both of your under eyes. Now, next one, I really love using this, applying on a flat brush, just a little bit to pick up the eyeshadow that we're going for, especially when it comes down to metallic finishes or satin finishes. It just makes everything go on very smoothly, just exactly how the eyeshadow is looking in the pan, because a lot of the times you can see that it's not transferring exactly how you want it, and it works beautifully even without eye primer. For this look, I went in with rose gold eyeshadow from the Smashbox Full Exposure palette, and it picked it up product and applied it so beautifully and effortlessly. I feel like this way you're also saving a lot of the product because it's so intense. You don't need to keep on reapplying it and making it more and more noticeable. You're getting the desired effect very fast. And if you want to go even further, I love applying loose glitter using the same trick because I'm not a huge fan of glitter glue. I don't like how it sits on the eyelids. It is not the most comfortable product, I find. However, the facial spray damps the brush enough to pick up the product, and then as it deposits on your eyelids, it just stays there. It's very, very comfortable. You don't really see any fallout, and it works beautifully. You will love it so much that you can wear it on a daily basis. Wearing glitter will not be a big issue for you just because this one works amazingly. Now, for those of you who really love that in your face very loud highlighter, apply your highlighter after you're done with the rest of your makeup and you're already fixed with the spray. Now, while the skin is still a little bit damp, it just catches that glow so beautifully and you will get the desired effect every time. This trick is also amazing for photos. And of course, finally, I love setting my makeup with the spray. I'm a huge fan of products that are actually doing something for your skin throughout the wear of the product. It's full of minerals. It is perfect for any skin type, especially if you feel like your makeup by itself looks a little bit heavier and more on a cakier side. It will fix the problem for you right away. And then if you feel like your makeup is getting a little bit dull throughout the day, I like to apply it all over my face after a few hours of my makeup wear, and it just freshens up and helps to fix your makeup. The delivery system is phenomenal on this one. The way it deposits the water itself, the mist is just very, very fine, and it spreads out the product evenly without any squirting or applying too much just in one spot. And I have not worked with a better spray, truly. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.